welcome to my channel, Delicious Taste. Today we will have a very simple, nice recipe, 5 ingredients, shrimp casserole. Okay, this is my first step, the layer of rice, and then I want to pour my mushrooms. And then my shrimp. You don't need too much, depends how many people you want to serve. This is real good like that, not too much, not too little, real good. Whatever you want to put is good. Just cover the whole layers. This is the layer of shrimp. You put it real nice, just like that. And then you want to put the cheese on top. A little bit on the corners, just like that. And then my spices, like a pinch, like that, all over. All over that. This is a 1 teaspoon chicken bouillon, pepper, whatever you desire, and a little bit of salt. Not too much, but like that is so good. And then I want to cover another layer with cheese. It's so simple and easy. You can have a side dish like a little salad, tossed salad or something like that, and that's it. You serve it like that, and it's so good. Okay guys, for my final step, it's gonna be the breadcrumbs, but I want to try to explain a little bit. All this is when I cook, when I infuse all the flavors down, so when I mix all together with the rice, and then it's gonna be real perfect flavor, real good flavor. You don't have to put nothing else. That's it. Cover real good the corners so the steam doesn't go out real fast, and then stay together when you start cooking real good, so everything's gonna go down, and the breadcrumbs is gonna be real crunchy and real nice. So that's the point. Enough. Okay guys, for the final step, forget a nice and real good color, a little brown color, real crispy. I want to use a little spray bottle, whatever spray for cooking spray, you can use that. And you can put butter, unsalted butter or salted butter, whatever you want. You put butter on top, just like that. You don't have too much. It's supposed to be more healthy. I'm gonna put one more square. Ready to oven. Okay, I preheat the oven at 350 already, so I want to put this in, and we come back like in 25 minutes. Guys, this is ready. Look, perfect color. But if you want more crispy, you can put your favorite cooking oil on top. In 25 minutes, it's real good, ready enough. And this is my platter. I put a side dish, like a tossed salad, and that's it. And I want to taste. So good. Delicious taste, real good. Guys, I hope you enjoyed my video, and I see you next time. Los veo otra vez para esta nueva receta que tenemos. Delicious taste.